Everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on operating systems and virtualization. The unit to be discussed is process management. Let us discuss the topic process and process concept. What is a process? A process is an instance of a program in execution, including its current activity, processor registers, and memory space. Process concept, that is empathize. Users want fast and smooth execution of programs. Multiple programs run simultaneously. The issues faced are slow response time, CPU idle time, and resource conflicts. Process concept. In definition, we have how can the OS manage multiple programs efficiently? How to share CPU among processes fairly, and how to avoid deadlock and starvation. Let us ideate the process concept. Introduce process abstraction, use process control block, implement scheduling algorithms, and use context switching. Let us differentiate program and process. Program is a passive set of instructions, programs stored on disk, whereas a process is a program in execution. It executes instructions sequentially. Program created when it is loaded into memory, whereas process is active execution of main memory. Process needs a CPU, memory, and input-output resources. This is the layout of a process. A process is divided into 4 sections: stack, heap, text, and data. Stack stores temporary data, written parameters, local variables. Heap is used for dynamic memory allocation. Memory allocated during a runtime. It grows and shrinks as needed. Text segment contains executable code. It holds program instructions, and it includes program counter. Data section stores global variables. It also stores static variables. It is allocated on the compile time. Program, which is a set of instructions to perform a task. It is written in a programming language, may contain single or multiple algorithms. An algorithm meaning a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. It is a part of the computer program. It is well-defined and finite. Software is a collection of programs, which includes libraries and related data. Examples: OS, applications, and utilities. Process lifecycle. Process passes through different states during execution. States vary slightly across operating systems. A process state cycle includes new, ready, running, waiting, and terminated. A new is a process which is being created. Ready is waiting for the CPU. And then running, executing instructions. Waiting meaning waiting for input or output resources or event to take place. Then terminated, execution completed. So this is the process life cycle. When a new process comes, it is admitted and it enters into the ready state, and it checks for the interrupt or the scheduling to dispatch. And then it comes to the running or waiting, and then it gets terminated. Process control block. Data structure maintained by operating system. It stores all information about a process. 1. PCB, third process. PCB, that is store information, which includes process state, program counter, CPU registers, CPU scheduling information, memory management information, accounting information, input-output status information. PCB is created when the process is created. It is maintained throughout the process lifetime, and it is deleted once the process terminates. This is the life cycle of the PCB. In summary, process, program and execution. A process has multiple memory sections. Process lifecycle has 5 states, and PCB stores complete process information. Thank you.